mention my name, ada berapa komen ni kata Cap, Papa Gomo ada mention you 2-3 kali.
Ya. Tak adalah, you cakap PMX, you bagi skor 8, mana boleh? Kenapa you bagi skor 8? Why you bagi skor 8? Ya, your video, you PM berani tarik, tak apa, buat penyelaras subsidi minyak, you cakap Tun Mahathir tak berani, Najib tak berani, and then Pamai tak berani. Ya, your video. Yelah, that means dia tak berani lah. No lah. Dah, brother, you bagi rating Anwar PM8.
Hold on. I'm just saying the subsidy bersasar has been launched.
Okay.
And that bersasar, when it says for commercial, subsidy mesti ada.
Tak ada, tak betul bro. You bagi rating 8. You bagi rating 8. Not right bro. Tak betul.
Forget about the rating. One by one first. Brother bro, we go way back. Berita tu bro. I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
Sebelum the current Prime Minister, bro, I'm not a party member.
Yeah.
Party, bro.
Yeah, I know.
You know, zaman Tun Mahathir kerajaan, zaman Najib kerajaan.
I know.
Every kerajaan. Government of the day.
Yeah.
Bukan orang bersatu, bukan orang PKR, bukan orang PAS. Brother, I'm a normal orang awam that is just serving whoever is the government of the day. My father was Putra. If Tun Mahathir is the Prime Minister, he served Tun Mahathir. If Najib is the Prime Minister, my dad is Usman Putra, dia kena serve lah Najib.
Yeah.
Walaupun orang berbeza. So, bro, people ask me to spot check issue subsidy. So I do my research.
Okay.
So the previous Prime Minister never launched subsidy bersasar. Correct or wrong?
Bro, bukan pasal PM sebelum ni tak laksana seperti besar bro. You kena faham bro. You kena faham. You bagi rating PMX 8 lah bro. You bagi tahu Tun Mahathir tak berani. You bagi tahu Tun Mahathir tak berani, Najib tak berani, Pak Mai tak bagi. But you kena faham, Cap. You kena fikir pasal rakyat, Cap.
Show me the line where I said I tak berani. Just show me the line. When I said
You cakap dia tak berani. Tun Mahathir cakap tapi tak buat. No, you dalam video tu you cakap Tun Mahathir buat tapi tak cakap tapi tak buat. Najib cakap tapi tak buat. You tunjuk video.
Is this fakta or real?
Memanglah fakta dia tak berani buat, tetapi kenapa you cakap macam tu?
Kenapa saya cakap tu? Bro, it's proof that subsidy bersasar was never launched by any prime minister before this. It's fakta.
Okay. So bersasar untuk apa? I tanya you apa bersasar? Apa yang bersasarnya? Cap.
If you look at
Cap. Apa yang bersasarnya, Cap? You cakap apa yang bersasarnya?
Okay, so targeted subsidy. Bro,
okay.
I did research for KPDN, HEP, zaman Ismail Sabri. I forward that same research to Mat Sabu. I say, guys, system subsidy is needed in Malaysia because there's so much wastages. Terlalu banyak wastage. Terlalu banyak.
Okay.
Kita on our platform, on IG, kita pernah cover case where our own minyak seluduk in Thailand.
Okay.
We covered these cases on our IG before. So when a prime minister doesn't care who lah bro, it could be Abu ke PMX ke, I don't care which prime minister, but when a prime minister is brave to do targeted subsidy, but because I used to talk about this zaman Ismail Sabri and even now, I say okay cool, this guy gets an 8 out of 10.
Brother, dia bukan tak berani, brother. But I think you kena dengar lah,
Again, Papa Gomo.
No, dengar ni. Bro, dengar ni. Bro, dengar ni.
Tak fikir soal rakyat. Fikir nak ambil alih kuasa saja. Sudah.
Dia kepis ke? Tak dengar. Itu apa tu?
Dengar lah.
Ada formula.
Tak dengar bro. Dia
Malam ini.
Tak, I dah hantar video kat dia, dah tengok belum?
Tak buka lagi.
You buka lah tengok. Lepas tu baru call balik. You buka tengok dulu.
No, this is bro, just on the phone, chap. So you made a video about me, is it? Ada faham konteks. Ada slowly.
Tak apa, sekejap lagi I hantar video. Yang video I buat pun I hantar sekali dekat you kalau you tak jumpa.
Bro, janganlah bro. Please don't get me involved.
No, bro. You cuit Tun Mahathir, bro. Mana boleh? You cuit Tun Mahathir. I tak boleh, bro. No. Tak boleh lah. You cakap Tun Mahathir. You keluarkan statement Tun Mahathir cakap. So you nak tunjukkan bahawa Anwar berani buat penyelesaian subsidi bersasar.
Bro, I said what Tun Mahathir said was correct.
Bro, come on lah bro. You jangan cakap correct bro. Bro, you tak tengok ke hari ni rakyat cakap apa pasal Anwar Ibrahim? You tak tengok dulu 1 Julai today. You tak tengok ke apa cukai naik?
Jangan Papa Gong.
You bagi 8 bro. You bagi 8 poin dekat Anwar Ibrahim. Are you crazy bro?
Subsidi ni bersasar, bro. What did I say after Tomari punya video? I say what he say is correct. Betul tak?
Bro, dia bukan pasal correct tak correct, brother. You bagi Anwar point 8 bro. 8% bro. What happened to you bro?
Of the issue of subsidi bersasar.
No bro, dia bukan pasal berani tak berani. Dia kena fikir pasal rakyat. Dia kena fikir pasal perut dan poket rakyat.
Kenapa cerita pasal berani lah bro? I tak cerita pasal berani pengecut. I cerita pasal subsidi bersasar. Did you watch the whole video verbatim?
Bro, I dah tengok video tu, I tengok 2 kali. Bro cakap apalah Caprice cakap. Bila keluarkan gambar Tun Mahathir tu, dia tunjukkan macam dia kita bagi dengar balik video dia. Ada simpan video dia bro. I simpan video dia bro.
Okay, please do.
I simpan video dia ni.
Apa hari ni? Back to PMX issue subsidi. Atau lagi tepat, apa pendapat PM sebelum ni when it comes to subsidi bersasar. Sebab kalau kita tengok balik, semua pernah sembang pasal subsidi ni tak adil. Jom kita throwback zaman Tun Dr. Mahathir.
Jadi kita tak boleh bagi subsidi kepada orang kaya pun. Takkan kita nak tersokong orang yang ada Rolls Royce.
Apa yang Tun cakap ni betul. Zaman bosku pula,
Mereka yang bawa kapcai, gunakan kapcai dengan mereka yang gunakan kereta besar. Jadi itu sebab subsidi bersasar tu lebih besar menurut Fahad.
dan Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri.
Beberapa kajian lah. Tapi sampai sekarang masih
You that?
Ya. Ini Ismail Sabri.
telah pun
Slow, suara dia slow.
rangka subsidi bersasar tersebut.
Si guys rangka saja tapi tidak dilaksanakan. And now back to current Prime Minister of Malaysia. Selepas ada satu sistem untuk tapis, PMX laksanakan. Terus buat tak ada tanggung. Sabah Sarawak dikecualikan sebab terlalu ramai kat sana guna diesel untuk harian. Kenderaan komersial logistik awam masih dapat subsidi. Golongan kaya, no more subsidi or free minyak. Nak laksanakan subsidi bersasar ni memang tidak popular for any PM. Maklumlah rakyat Malaysia dah biasa dengan subsidi sejak tahun 80 lagi. Memang komen pemimpin-pemimpin dulu bergantung kepada populisme subsidi supaya dapat tarik undi. Dulu pun tak ada data rakyat yang lengkap seperti Padu, Budi Madani, SKDS semua untuk tapis siapa layak subsidi, dan kalau potong subsidi silap-silap yang susah pun terkesan. Langkah ni memang tidak popular, tetapi kalau mana-mana PM tidak buat sesuatu, apa akan jadi? Let's look at the numbers. Contoh, subsidi diesel 2023 cecah 14.3 bilion. Kalau tak tapis langsung, kerajaan jangka naik jadi 20 bilion in 2024. Plus, terlalu banyak case yang kaya, kartel logistics, penyelundup pun dapat subsidi macam makcik cleaner. Rakyat rugi, negara rugi, bocor sana sini. So for this particular case, for being brave, practical and trying to be fair, we are giving PMX an 8 out of 10. 4 PM hanya kata, 1, laksanakan. Walaupun tidak popular, tapi demi masa depan ekonomi Malaysia, this had to be done. Guys, comment below, let me know which one.
You cakap PMX berani bro. You bagi dia 8 bro.
Where? Mana cakap berani? Where the word berani?
You cakap PM brave. You cakap dia brave. That means yang lain tak brave lah.
Why must you look it that way, bro?
Bro, come on lah bro. Siapa bro, orang yang tak faham English pun dengar pun dia tahulah bro.
But why?
Bro, ginilah bro. Bro, ginilah bro. Bro. You cakap pasal subsidi dia ginilah. Cuba you tengok rakyat komen apa. You tengok rakyat komen apa, lepas tu you buat satu video, you tengok.
I'm giving my own personal score.
Bro, come on lah. Bro. I know you lah bro. I know you lah bro. Caprice. Bro, aku kenal kau lah. Kau cakap lah kau nak bagi own kau punya pandangan apa semua. Bro, come on lah kan. Baik kau delete balik lah video tu bro. Aku cakap kau betul lah bro. Video tu delete balik lah.
When you sokong GISB, do I make noise about it?
Okay, you understand. Correct. Okay.
You can sokong GISB.
Okay.
Tak pernah duduk dengan mangsa-mangsa GISB.
Masa what? Okay, masa what? Masa apa? Liwat? Masa liwat?
Bro, you come. I'm not talking about liwat, bro. You come. What if you come out with me one day?
Bro, you cakap mangsa. I nak you suruh mangsa tu pergi buat report sekarang. You suruh pergi buat report.
Bro, Papa kau gombor? You're an adult. You're a grown man. I'm a grown man.
Ya, we are grown man. Tapi bila you cakap you tak pernah duduk dengan mangsa JSB, so mangsa JSB buat report lah.
Apa cakap kau tak pernah duduk dengan mangsa JSB, bro? Kita buat 3 podcast dengan JSB punya mangsa-mangsa, bro.
Okay.
What are you talking
No. Kes apa? Kena liwat? Ha? Kes apa? Kena liwat?
Do this, bro.
Kena liwat?
Bro. Who said liwat? I'm not talking about liwat.
Apa tu? Kes apa? Mangsa what? Mangsa what?
Cuba you dengar.
Cap.
Dengar lah, bro.
Cap.
Bro, dengar lah, bro.
Cap. You ni Cap. JSB pun sama juga. KKMAT pun sama juga. Cap. Kamu lah Cap.
Separating the family members. You nak dengar aku, you nak bising, bro.
Tak ada. Bukan nak dengar nak bising Cap. Bukan nak dengar nak bising. Bukan.
Adult or cyber trooper? Bro, am I talking to an adult or cyber trooper?
Bro, dia bukan cyber trooper ke adult, bro. Kita bukan baru kenal Cap. Cap, kita bukan baru kenal Cap. Cap, kita bukan baru kenal Cap. Ha? Kan? You macam ni Cap. Cap, you jangan panjang-panjang. You buat satu video.
Mangsa. Bro, come meet the JSB punya mangsa. Kenapa you susah sangat ni, bro? Apa you buat ni?
Tak ada.
Why you so weird?
Tak, JSB pasal apa? Why JSB? Why? Okay, why? Okay, tell. Cerita.
What are you?
Cerita.
Bro, as a man.
Cerita. Cerita saya dengar.
Bila you buat video sokong JSB, I ada marah you lah. Tak. I respect you pada pandangan.
Okay.
Tapi you pernah tak jumpa mangsa JSB? I tanya you, soalan.
Masa apa?
Mangsa separating family members. Mangsa kerja tanpa bayar gaji.
Okay.
Mangsa separating the anak from the mak.
Okay.
You pernah jumpa kan mereka?
Okay. Sekarang dia dah dituduh mahkamah ke?
I'm not talking about turun mahkamah, bro. Like mahkamah.
Tak lah. Ada tak? Tak.
Let me share you what we
Brother. Kita ni ada rule of law. Kita ada undang-undang, Cap. Kalau dia ni ada report polis ambil tindakan, jauhlah di mahkamah. Kita kan ada rule of law.
Zaman PU Azman, I berjuang for mangsa PU Azman.
Okay.
4 tahun tau kita berjuang mangsa PU Azman. Last dia dihukum. Betul tak?
Tak kisah. Sekarang JSB, kita topik JSB sekarang ni. Ada buat report tak? Mangsa-mangsa cakap dia ada buat report tak?
Tapi mangsa, kita yang tolong buat report tu dia. Kita yang...
Dah ada lah. So apa tindakan polis? Siapa tindakan polis?
They went to the house.
Okay.
They selamatkan the adik.
Okay.
Kakak ni satu tahun tak jumpa adik dia.
Okay.
So I think JKM and police went to the house yang keluarga tu memang tak kasih dia jumpa kakak dia lah. So after 1 year, alhamdulillah, this kakak that was in my podcast, that girl that was in my podcast yang kita cari muka dia, jumpa adik dia after 1 whole year.
Okay. So sekarang apa tindakan pihak polis kepada JSB tu?
Bro, you follow the news lah, bro. I'm talking about the case that I handle.
Yelah, I tanya pasal kes lah, bro. I tanya pasal kes lah ni. Because you kata JSB salah. I tanya you, kita ada rule of law, ada undang-undang. Ikut undang-undang, kalau you dah buat report polis after 1 year, so what happened?
No, I'm talking about the kakak never met the adik for 1 year.
What? Who? Kakak? Who? Kakak. Ingat kakak tadi.
Tak, kakak bro. Cuba you dengar buka telinga sikit.
Dah. Sekarang ni bro, dah 1 year dah. 1 year. What happened? What happened to report polis tu?
Berlaku what happened. I'm not talking about 1 year report polis. I'm talking about kakak ni tak jumpa adik dia for 1 year. GISB halang dia.
Okay.
Tak dia masuk podcast ke Freeze. Okay. Share mengadu benda ni. I said, listen, kakak you kena buat laporan polis baru kita boleh bertindak. Dia buat laporan polis, tunjuk semua bukti, janji jumpa adik, tak boleh jumpa adik, dan JKM dengan PDM pergi rumah tersebut, selamatkan adik tu.
Okay. So bermakna colik lah. Bermakna colik lah.
I tak tahu ayah dia culik ke tak kasih.
Yelah, kalau dah selamatkan colik lah. That mean mestilah kes tu didakwa di mahkamah.
Okay. But bro, alhamdulillah, right? Seorang kakak jumpa adik dia after 1 year cannot see each other.
Okay.
Good, right?
So apa it's good. But I nak tahu apa report polis tu, apa jadi pada report polis yang dia buat tu.
You want me to like follow up report polis?
Ya, 1 year bro, 1 year mesti ada report polis, mesti ada kes, mesti ada pendakwaan. Kalau NFA.
I said kakak ni tak jumpa adik dia for 1 year.
Okay.
For 1 year tak jumpa. Bukan laporan polis 1 year bro.
Bukan. Report polis dah buat 1 year kan. Ini tahun lepas you buat, bulan apa you buat? Bulan 10, bulan September you buat report polis. Kakak dia buat report polis.
I lupa. Okay, around there.
So almost 1 year lah. So apa tindakan pihak polis?
Selamatkan anak adik tu.
Yelah, selamatkan mestilah ada kesalahan apa JSB buat. Because you kata JSB, I backup JSB, you kata ada masalah pula. Apa kesalahan JSB buat?
I interview the JSB guy in my podcast.
Kita ada undang-undang, Cap. Kita ada undang-undang. Kita ikut undang-undang. Kesalahan apa dia buat, kita dakwa lah mahkamah.
Okay, ikutlah.
That's why I tanya you, kesalahan apa yang JSB buat? Because you kata JSB macam ni, I tanya you, JSB apa buat apa? Because I pun sama juga, I pun tunggu juga keadilan.
I gave you an example and you are still ignoring it. I just gave you one example.
Yeah.
Family member was halang untuk jumpa adik dia.
Okay, I know. So report polis dah dibuat. So apa jadi pada report polis tu?
Tanyalah dia orang bro. You kena tanyalah dia kenapa.
You yang bawa pergi budak-budak tu pergi buat report polis. You kena follow up lah.
Bro, takkan nak follow every month. Hi bro, how are you?
Tak payah every month, brother. Besok Cap, lu follow up dengan adik-beradik tu yang kata yang dipisahkan oleh GSB tu. What happened to report police? And then you reply me back.
Apa kata you come up with me, kita jumpa diorang. Settle.
I tak payahlah, brother. I bukan level macam you.
You support GSB. I've introduced so many mangsa. You support GISB, bro.
Brother, kita ni ada undang-undang, Cap, kita ada undang-undang, kita ikut undang-undang. Kalau ada kesalahan, dah buat report polis, biarlah pihak polis siasat. That's why I tanya dengan you. You cakap bawa report polis kat dia orang.
Ni ke Papa Gomo cakap?
No. Come on lah, Cap. You
sound like you so.
takkanlah kita tak berpegang kepada rule of law. Come on lah.
You soal me lawan Along? Baik, biar polis handle Along. Tak boleh.
Brother, because sekarang ni you cakap I backup GSB. You cakap I backup GSB. Okay, yes, I pertahankan GSB. I pertahankan GSB. So, I tanya kesalahan apa GSB buat? Apa kesalahan dia?
Ajaran sesat. One of them ajaran sesat.
Ajaran sesat? Okay. Apa yang tindakan yang dikenakan sekarang ni?
Allah, I kena follow up kan ni?
Bukan, you cakap aja. You buat tuduhan. You mesti bagi proof, bro.
Ada in the podcast.
It's not about your podcast, brother. Brother, it's not about your podcast. You buat tuduhan, you mesti bagi proof. Apa tindakan yang diambil?
Bro, apa kata bagi you buku zikir Abuya, bro? You simpan lah.
Bro, you bagi zikir ke... Dia gini, brother. Brother, kita ada undang-undang. Bro, kita ada undang-undang. Kita kena ikut undang-undang, rule of law.
Okay, so, it's been 1 year. Habis tu, it's been 1 year. So 4 tahun baru jatuh hukuman.
Bro, sekarang ni apa kesalahan ni? That's why nak tahu sekarang ni. You cakap I backup GSB, you marah. So, I nak tahu apa kesalahan dia.
Why are you being ajaran sesat? One of them is
okay. So, apa tindakan yang diambil pada dia sekarang ni? Dia didakwa mahkamah mana? Mahkamah mana dakwa dia?
InsyaAllah, in 4 years time, dia dah ada hukuman.
Okay. Tak. Sekarang
saya sendiri pun berapa? 4 tahun?
Bro, tak jatuh hukum lagi GSB. Macam mana you cakap dia salah?
Jatuh hukum, bro? What are you talking about, bro?
No. You cakap GSB salah. GSB macam ni. I tanya dah jatuh hukum? Belum jatuh hukum lagi. Tapi Anwar Ibrahim, yang dijatuh hukuman rasuah, liwat dengan salah guna kuasa. You bagi poin 8. You gila ke, bro?
Bro, I talk about subsidi bersasar lah. Ya Allah.
Come on lah, bro. Jangan backup Anwar Ibrahim lah, bro. Jangan backup Anwar Ibrahim lah. Please lah, stop lah, bro. Stop lah. Bro, I think you kena buat video minta maaf dengan Tuan Mahathir lah.
Bro, for what? For saying I setuju with Tuan Mahathir?
You cakap Anwar berani.
Because I say Anwar berani kena minta maaf.
Yeah, of course. Cap, come on lah, Cap. Kalau you betul sayang Tuan lah, I nak tengok lah.
Bro,
you sekarang ni sayang Tuan ke sayang Anwar, bro? You sayang Anwar ke sayang Tuan sekarang ni? Tell me, Cap. You sayang Anwar?
You getting older, but you behaving more like...
Yalah, never mind lah, bro. Never mind lah. Older ke, cara ke apa, tak kisahlah.
Aku cuba sembang dengan you macam orang dewasa. Tapi you sound like a kid right now, bro.
Okay lah. Never mind lah, bro. You can tell anything lah about me lah, bro.
I thought you were a grown man.
Yeah, never mind, brother. Never mind.
Kau dah dewasa, tapi sembang macam budak kecil, bro.
Tak apalah, bro. Sembang macam budak kecil pun tak apalah, Cap. It's up to you lah, Cap. But I watching you, Cap. I watching you. And who with Anwar? I will smash. Sure, for sure. Who with Anwar? I will smash.
Last week.
Remember, Cap. Remember.
Last week I was with Paz. Hey, you remember? Last week I was with Paz. Call them. Hey, Paz. How was complete at your event? Okay tak? You call them.
Bro, ni bukan pasal apa. Bro, you cakap Anwar, you bagi 8, bro. No, cannot.
Yes.
No.
I can.
No. Sekarang ni you cakap Anwar berani. You tunjuk video tu Najib, you tu cakap Anwar berani. From 4 Prime Minister, Anwar berani.
Bro, you support JSB, ada Al-Koyak. Tak ada Al-Koyak pun.
Tak, what the problem JSB? Salah apa? Salah apa JSB?
I just told you the mangsa.
What masa what?
Akan jumpa adik dia.
Bro, kita ada rule of law lah bro. Kita ada undang-undang, ikut undang-undang lah.
Apa benda? Apa ikut undang-undang? Memang ikut undang-undang. Tapi kita tetap berjuang. Kita tetap bangsa.
I know. So, after 1 year, almost 1 year, what happened to the report police?
PU Azman 4 years, brother. PU Azman 4 years, brother.
Brother, don't drag to another people lah, brother. Don't drag to another people lah.
Oh, tak, you talk
You drag ni, PU Azman lah, Yusof Azmi lah. Don't drag another people lah.
You talk rule of law, brother. You say rule of law. Rule of law is not 1 year, brother. It takes 4-5 years, brother.
Okay.
Rule of law takes 4-5 years, brother. So give it 4-5 years.
Macam Ebit lah. Macam Ebit Liu lah. Ha?
Rule 1 year.
Ha? Macam Ebit Liu lah. Take time macam Ebit Liu lah.
Tak tahu lah. Sabar kes berapa tahun dah. Dia 5 tahun bro. Betul lah.
So
sabar, bro.
ya macam Ebit Liu lah. Ya, I know. Ya, tapi Cap, never mind Cap. You nak cakap I budak-budak ke apa, never mind. Kan? It's okay bro. I tak puas hati you bagi rating Anwar 8, I tak puas hati. That's my opinion bro. Dia my opinion. Kan? But I nak tengok lah. I nak tengok you buat satu decision. You sokong Tun atau Anwar. That's all.
Bro, I bukan cyber trooper.
Overall, no. Overall, you say dalam you punya podcast.
I bukan cyber trooper, bro. Minta maaf.
It's not cyber trooper, bro. I saw you buat podcast. You buat video podcast. You cakap Anwar bagi 8.
Ni level cyber trooper punya cyber.
No cyber trooper lah. Kita bukan cyber trooper lah, Cap. Kalau nak kata cyber trooper, Cap, kan? You punya I dengan rating, I lagi tinggi daripada you tau.
Wow.
Brother. That's fact, Cap. Rating you dengan I lagi tinggi tau. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, bro.
For sure that. That's why I cakap kat you, Cap.
Bro, good for you, bro. I'm happy for you.
Huh?
Jadi you bahagia, bro. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Itu boleh bantu you tidur tengah malam.
Yeah, I happy bro sebab I tak sokong Anwar Ibrahim. I tidur nyenyak lena.
Sila bro, you sokong.
I'm sure bro. After this, after you call me, you cannot sleep very well because you sokong Anwar.
Bukan sebab koyak bro. You sokong JSB, I tak bising. Buat bagi skor, I siap cakap Tun betul. Tiba-tiba you koyak je ni. Apa bro? You a grown ass man, bro. You a grown up. You behave like a kid, bro.
Bro, you
before this,
brother.
You are a man. You are
bro, you buat comparison, brother. You buat comparison, brother. Cap.
Now you behave like a kid, bro.
Cap. You buat comparison. Kalau you cerita Perdana Menteri buat subsidi bersasar, it's okay lah. Tapi you buat comparison, you put Tun Mahathir there, it's not right lah, brother.
Subsidi bersasar.
Yelah, you buat comparison. Lepas tu you kata PMX berani. What happened to you, bro?
What happened to you? Is it fakta or for...
No, you buat comparison. You cakap Tun Mahathir tak berani. Come on lah, Cap.
I didn't say that.
You cakap Anwar berani. You buat comparison 4 orang Prime Minister. You bagi tahu Anwar paling berani. So what that mean?
I think your lawyer can become the mediator because you don't have the brain to understand.
Oh, I don't have a brain. Okay, never mind lah, Cap. Never mind. You have brain. Cap. But for sure, Cap. Cap. You jangan sokong Anwar Ibrahim. Anwar Ibrahim tu peliwat, bro. Dia peliwat, bro. Dia peliwat, homoseksual. Brother.
Dah jatuh hukum ke?
Anwar Ibrahim kan masuk penjara kena liwat.
No.
Are you not, bro?
Bro, are you talking about now or what?
No, Anwar Ibrahim kan bekas bandua 5 tahun masuk penjara liwat.
Did he get a royal pardon?
Okay, royal pardon tak hapuskan kesalahan dia.
That one under time tu siapa Perdana Menteri, bro?
Lah Tun Mahathir, tapi royal pardon tak hapuskan kesalahan.
Repeat one more time. Time dia dapat royal pardon, siapa PM?
Yalah Tun Mahathir lah.
Okay, cool. Your PM, your
So,
you sokong, you say you love him so much.
Tak, bukan bro. Dia homoseksual, bro. Dia masuk penjara kerana liwat. Why pun tu Tun Mahathir? Why?
Okay, so the topic now changed to what?